Welcome to Techie Dialogue, and today I'll be showing you how to white out text in Foxit PDF Editor step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, find the PDF file that you want to edit, then right-click on it. Step 2. Next, click on Open With and select Foxit PDF Editor from the list. Step 3. Once your PDF is open in Foxit, go to the top menu and click on the Protect tab. Step 4. In the Protect options, click on Whiteout. You'll notice that your cursor changes into a cross. Step 5. Now, click and drag a rectangle over the text or area you want to remove. This will create a white space over the content. Step 6. A prompt will appear, warning you that the whiteout action cannot be undone. Click OK to confirm, and if you don't want to see this message again in the future, you can check the box that says Don't Ask Again. And that's it. The text you selected is now hidden behind a white background, making it invisible. Thanks for watching.